I have just come up with the solution for all of your fast finishers. How to keep your students engaged, independently working, and not making a massive mess. Introducing the Creation Station. In my Creation Station, you have 8 bins. Each bin represents a different element of art with an Elements of Art review bin included. The color bin includes color films students can play with and mix colors without using messy materials. The line bin, they play with sensory sticks and pipe cleaners to create line sculptures and line designs. Form bin has magnetiles where they can turn shapes into forms before their eyes and draw them. The space bin includes tape and string and letters they can trace around to create letters in perspective without rulers. The shape bin includes a geoboard or instructions on how to create your own geoboard so students can create shapes out of lines using rubber bands. The texture bin includes texture plates and encourages students to go out and find texture in their space, creating texture rubbings of these texture elements they find. And value, they create gemstones out of flat pieces of paper, compare the paper to a value scale they create, and look at how that changes with a form. The review bin includes wooden shapes students can put together to create designs and objects and use these objects they create in a drawing that incorporates every element of art intentionally. In each bin, they have 2 to 3 activity guides, one with specific instructions, the rest are a little more free play oriented, that has students complete these art experiments. They play with the material in the bin, they draw, they layer colors, they track the results on these activity guides. In addition to these guides, there are QR codes included with every single bin. Students can scan these and watch demo videos independently that walks them through the activities. With my Creation Station pack, you get the bin labels, QR codes, teacher notes, lesson plan, supply lists with links so you can easily add items to your cart to complete the bins. You get the activity guides, you get everything you need to get this set up, minus the physical materials. Setting up a station for students to interact and experiment with materials that are not messy, that are fun to use, is the key to success in keeping your students engaged. Add a new element to your early finisher area, or use this as a jumping off point to set up your early finisher area. This can also be used as art centers or subplans. Really, the possibilities are endless because you have everything you need to do fun elements of art focused activities.